Okay, 1990 Bronco. It's been sitting for 2 days. It's got a 5.0 with an AOD. I'll be replacing the 5.0 due to a rod knock at startup and a lifter tap, bad water pump. Here, listen carefully. Hear the rod knock? Gone now. It only lasts like 10 seconds, 5 seconds. That's the water pump you're hearing there. Yeah. I don't, for some reason the lifters aren't tapping right now, but usually the lifters go crazy for like a full minute. Which tells me it's not getting oiling up, it's not getting oil pressure up top for like a minute.
That's what happens when your bearings on the bottom end start getting loose.
Yeah.
Lose your lubrication on top.
Yeah, so the mains are going out underneath and it's starving the rest of the motor. Yeah. Anyway, putting a 351 in it, roller block from a 96.
Good old solid American iron.